G'day all. After a bit of drama I had with my wideband sensor, contacted AEM and obviously I had to provide a bit of a video on what was happening and sent it on to them, and they looked at it and obviously found that it was warranted, so sent me a replacement sensor, what I've just put in. So it looks like she's playing the game now, which is excellent, really good to see. Just a shame it was a bit of a fuck around, like installing it and then not have it work out of the box is a bit of a quality thing, I suppose. But I was very hesitant to stay with AEM as one of these instruments, they control your engine pretty much, and bidding an engine over a dodgy sensor is just not something I want to do. So, but anyway, look, it's all positive because they came to the party. It wasn't too much of a struggle, and there you go. So just put her in. Car's running good. Probably going to put the Power FC in. At the moment, just running stock ECU, so there's not really much point in this. But I've got future plans for this GDR, and just cleaning it up and doing small things like this and teaching myself how to tune on this. It's going to go a long way. So yeah, she's just warming up now, and I get to drive this thing. I love it. Anyway, guys, cheers for tuning in. Catches.